If you ever used a commercial face scrub, shower gel, or toothpaste, chances are you've been duped into smothering your face with plastic. Yes, you heard that right, it's plastic. Pick up a bottle of facial scrub, and there is a chance that they'll contain these really small beads of plastic. They are designed to gently strip away the outer dead layers of your skin and leave you feeling tingly fresh. Since the 1990s, these beads have been used in thousands of products like the facial scrubs, body scrubs, toothpaste, shampoos, etc. These are typically around a millimeter or less in diameter, so similar in size of a grain of sugar. Unfortunately, while they seem to be effective, they may be creating problems. Microbeads in personal care products eventually end up being washed down the drain. Because they are so small, they escape capture in wastewater treatment plants, eventually ending up in rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. They don't degrade or sink, but stick around for a long time. During this time, they suck up toxic chemicals and release them somewhere, including into fish, crabs, and other aquatic animals that may finally end up on your dinner plate. This is just one part of the problem. Out of 8.3 billion metric tons of plastic that is produced, only 9% is getting recycled. Rest is just being accumulated in landfills and dumped into oceans. Now, these macroplastics are broken down into microplastic by ocean currents, UV rays, and other sources. And what next? The same process that has been happening in the case of microbeads repeats again. This is not just killing the aquatic animals, but steadily decreasing the carbon sink capacity of our oceans. Yes, our oceans absorb almost a third of global carbon dioxide emissions, and that's possible because of the sequestration of carbon dioxide performed by aquatic life. Because of our plastic pollution and the changing climate, aquatic life is getting endangered and oceans are losing their capacity to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Though absorbing carbon dioxide makes the oceans more acidic, the aquatic life makes that carbon dioxide to settle deep down in the ocean without causing much risk. On a whole, from a face wash and a toothpaste you use to a plastic bottle which you throw out, everything is only being dumped into the oceans and making the life of both humans and aquatic animals miserable. Look out for labels when buying grocery. If they contain any of the shown ingredients, it means they have microplastics in them. Avoid buying items packaged in plastic. Stop using plastic straws. Use cloth shopping bags. Stop buying bottled water outside. Carry your own water bottle. Let's form a group and persuade councils to use plastic waste to build more roads. Ban of microbeads was proposed in India in the year 2017 and no action has been taken yet. Let's stop waiting for the system to change and start changing ourselves. Right time to take action is now. Start educating yourselves on how you can reduce the usage of plastic. If we fail to take action now, there is no point in studying for a future which we don't even have.